Am I the a-hole for giving my son a bill for half his expenses? My son, 17 Miam, asked me for a new gaming console, and I declined because he already owns multiple consoles and games and doesn't need any more. If he wants one, he should save up and purchase it himself. He then came to me with a plan on how we could afford the console. The plan mostly involved me not buying anything for myself for 2 months, which he claimed would be enough to cover the cost. I told him, hell no, that it was insulting, and if he wants the console, he needs to save for it. Not giving up, he returned with another plan. He and his father calculated how much I have received in child support over the years, and they concluded it would be reasonable to show me how insignificant the cost of the console would be in comparison. I explained it all goes towards his monthly expenses, but he didn't believe me. So I suggested that if he doubts it, he should pay for his own expenses monthly, and I would give him the child support. To his surprise, when I provided him with the bill, it revealed that considering all the things I cover each month, it amounts to much more than child support. Child support doesn't even cover 30%. Now my ex is furious, accusing me of making our son feel like a financial burden. But I believe I was giving him a lesson in financial responsibility and correcting some misconceptions he has acquired from his father.